Starlit greetings event maestros of the AVATUS cosmos, prepped for a leap into the majestic world of event scheduling, planning an intergalactic seminar, a nebula night out, or perhaps a cosmic chat. Let's set the stage. Dive deep into the digital side panel, swoosh through the vastness until you find events. Click on New Event and set the wheels in motion. Tiny celestial note. While the web is great to lay the groundwork, the AVATUS app is your stage to shine live. If you're not yet app ready, get it downloaded. An event without visuals is like a galaxy without stars. Adorn it with a mesmerizing photo. Detail your event to perfection. Give it a name. Anchor it to a dome. And weave in an engaging description. Now, align the stars by choosing the date and time. Wish to keep it exclusive? Set a limit on the participants for that intimate celestial soiree. Decision time, dear cosmic planners. Is it a paid event or free? If you're leaning towards gold, set your price in gold AVAT coins, or add a shimmering mix of gold and silver AVAT coins. Feel the universe aligning? Click on Create. Your event is now poised to welcome the stargazers of AVATUS. And just like that, a new constellation is born in our digital sky, waiting to dazzle attendees.